Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. So today I will be showing you how you can create a simple feed that involves other UI elements along with the images that are loaded from remote locations asynchronously. So we need to load all of the images asynchronously because we do not want to make the UI stuck. And there is another issue that once an image is loaded, if we scroll up and down, will the image be reloaded again? And if we refresh that view, what will happen? Will the image be used from the images that we have already downloaded from the web links, or do we need to download it again and again? So these are the issues that basically slows down your feed. It is handled by Async Image provided by iOS 15 onwards. So previously it was not there and you have to manage all of these things using code manually. But with Async Image, all of these problems are solved. It manages the caching of images during one session of the app. It also basically controls all of that loading and reloading of images as well. So let's see how it works. Here you can see that I have created a variable with the name of image URLs, which contains some of the URLs that I am using for testing of the image loading. And then I'm going to create a variable with the name of reload trigger, which is going to basically help us to reload our view to check whether the caching inside the async image works or not. So after declaring the variables, I am now going to create the UI, which will involve basically the navigation view, which will help us to pull down the view so that we will be able to refresh it. After that, a scroll view. Obviously the elements inside the UI view are greater than our view, so that we are able to scroll up and down and see the caching of images works or not. So after that, I'm going to create a VStack of all the elements that are inside these URLs, and inside each of the element there will be two elements further which are also stacked vertically with VStack. One is the image that is loaded, and another one is basically the description of that image, which I have basically just pasted a dummy text in place of the description. So in .refreshable, I am basically changing the value of the variable reload trigger by toggling it, and after dispatch queue main.async 0.5 seconds, I am going to toggle it again so that I will be able to refresh our main view. Now here I am playing the app, and as you can see that the first link is fixed and the image is loaded successfully, and after that all of the images are loaded. And once I move up and down, the image do not get reloaded again. And now I am going to basically pull down to refresh, and you can see that the first image is instantly loaded because it was already present inside the image cache, and rest of the images are also loaded. So in this way you can basically save your time and network traffic to load images inside your feeds. So with the help of this video, I hope you will be able to use async images inside your future projects on the apps that are feed based. So do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.